How to fix Rematch, an Unreal process has crashed. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "an Unreal process has crashed" error when trying to launch Rematch. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, restart your PC. Sometimes, a simple reboot can clear temporary memory issues that caused the crash. Next, update your graphics drivers. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Or go to the official NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest driver manually. Now, make sure Rematch is up to date. Open the launcher or platform you're using and check for any available updates for the game. After that, press Windows key plus R key to open the Run menu and type %local app data % and press Enter. Look for the Rematch folder and delete it. This will clear corrupt config files that may be causing the crash. Also, disable any overlays like Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or Steam overlay. They often interfere with Unreal Engine games. Once that's done, try launching the game again and the crash should be fixed. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming fixes. That's all for the video.